I remember when I had an issue with Mapele when he wanted to kidnap me as well. Kulbi was the one who called me, my man. This guy is not like the guy that you think he is.
Vakhandle Group lo intlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuvuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka naswona u nga ha tlhela vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala misaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u joyinaka 50 rand u vuyeriwa hi 5000 rand, u kuma tende na 100 wa switulu. Mobile toilet muganga unveiling benefits u kuma 5000 rand, lodi yin'we ya tihunyi, decoration, tende na 100 wa switulu. Laha u chayelaka hi 50 rand ku tlhela ku va na leswi: muganga premium leyi ku nyikaka 15000 rand, tende na 200 wa switulu. Yi tlhela yi va na legal advice. Muganga super premium yi ku nyika 15000 rand, yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna masiku manharhu. Muganga cash only benefit laha u kumaka 50000 rand loko u chayela hi 140, kasi loko u chayela hi 120 u kuma 10000 rand. Ku kuma vuxokoxoko bana riqingho kumbe WhatsApp eka 064 755 5674. U nga ha kuma vuxokoxoko na le ka website ya vakhandlegroup.co.za kumbe u rhumela rungula eka email info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah, Jaimito, emfana wale Msambikani, au hambo kwata. Twana leswi. Loko u lava ku endla security ne tihlanganisi na yena security ya Nasira leswi ya certificate xa kona a no va tiva ngopfu no tirha na vanhu lava nga na vutivi ngopfu bya swona. So na loko u la maybe u lava ku move nhundzu from here to Mpumalanga or to Zimbabwe or to Free State, wherever in South Africa, yi kumeka swilo leswi hinkwaswo ni nga swi mentionela, yi kumeka 060 729 7195. Ni nge repeat hi le ka radio la lomu la swa ku phinda fambani ka MLFM. Mina ni na n'wina kwala ka Maivava Jaro kula impacha tanuna shete. Oh, imani me amugelaka the channel that matches. The channel that matches the most. Ambo kwata. Yay! One lava, I love it. It has to go. Yeah, when you name Amugalaga, the only channel that matters to watch. Yeah. Anyways, Anurika live, Anurika TikTok in Winaka live. I was there, Shung Rangan. Account is Shungiwi. I don't know how Shung Rangan. So, well, the conversation was nice. Started by joking, and then it goes to about content, blah 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 blah. And then I end up being interviewed for no reason, you know. But I kept answering the questions. So, but I know people who were there. Most of them are friends, but also, I don't want to say I'm right or wrong because I don't know what on me. But only if she knew how much time I protected her, she wouldn't be doing whatever she was saying there. But if you do want to a point out she can get guys to kidnap me or to do anything to me, I think I've been through that. I've passed that stage. So, and there's nothing that I think I ever said to her to the point that she might even. I always protected the lady, especially with ladies. Disrespect the unintentional. Dr. Sandlen Chavale, and I've withdrawn even the statements or video of some sort. With ladies, shame. I've never. I always avoid speaking about ladies on this platform because why? Unless if they are doing some shitty, obvious things that needs comment or advice, like maybe attacking kids or misleading people. That's why I can. With here, it's about Prince Rangan probably, and the only comments I probably made should be, Yago, she must move on. Like, how is that personal if that's the case? But anyway, lad, the video look and the video Mthimbani, Mapele the boss, and could be right. Number one, kwa ngem Mthimbani au mesa statement. Number two, ko mesa could be shared post Mthimbani ka swelela. If message statement at the live video and then anga in could be all right, cool. And if Mapele Mthimbani advertise album yena it if Mapele like it was like there's no evidence go Mthimbani but Mthimbani had a shirt le iron blood la yeah, but it's also a little total is Mthimbani. But also it looked kind of catchy, but according to what could be is saying, it means there was something. So now Mapele went on to post mina nana manyangati kuyo are next and van'wana vakazama hi threateniwa ku endliwa leswi nga endliwa Mthimbani, meaning that the guy is kind of confirming that might have happened. Remember, from people lava tshamaka va xi tivaka that guy, they know that guy is very dangerous. He's not a guy that you can like. The thing is, we looked at him on social media when he's saying stupid things. I'm like, he's one of those over the market, and then we tend to make videos about it. That guy is very dangerous. That guy shouldn't even be an artist according to his character, the way they describe him. That guy should have been that guy who's in charge of people. You mess up with his favorites, he deals with you. He should have been like a bodyguard type of a guy, like bodyguard or like, I don't want to say bodyguard per se, but something like that. You know that guy you are always scared. Nah, she ended up go for high school. Kuna she's the same talk carrying my shaman and the long time I so later. So according to how they describe him, that's what happened. So the way he posted us, no sukeri. Me na Mapele no blocking because I've decided ana la go bona nchomu ka yena lexi nga ta hlanganisa ku xi la ta ni communities until today unpost. I blocked him last year when I was threatened ku nta tlhaka. Let us go and read post ya Mthimbani. Ni endle video yin'wanyani hi swi swa le Mozambique na le kaya. They didn't do well, but anyways, yeah, I'm going to read this thing loudly. Mthimbani. Greetings to everyone. So on this day, 15 December 2023, I was having a gig around Tsanin under a price tag. On our way home, Mapele, could be Snake and their bouncers wearing black masks. They chased after us. Whoa, they were wearing black masks. Whoa, okay. Snake was busy talking bad words against price tag. Could be ututumise mova ai palela ndlela, and then achika moving with a gun holding a magazine counting bullets in our faces. Can I read this again? Could be ututumise mova ai palela ndlela, and then achika moving with a gun holding a magazine counting bullets in our faces. He threatened my friend price tag with their issue of beef that doesn't involve me. Mapele came with bodyguards and guns, forcing price tag to beg for forgiveness while they are shooting him. They are shooting him a video. Okay, I know they are shooting him. Right? Leswi ngo Gulpi swa video nga twani naswona and stuff like that. So leswi swi endla ku ni doubt story it involves Gulpi. Gulpi is that guy who tries to portray a good image in front of people, doesn't want to sound like he's the bad guy, blah 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 blah. Okay, woni ya mahlweni na swa mina. Shooting him a video. After that, Mapele came to me and kicked me in the mouth. I was bleeding so bad. He continued to insult me and press me with his words with a gun on his hip. They overpowered us with bouncers and guns, and there were so many. The word overpowered, it means there was a power applied on both sides, but this one won because they had the muscle or the resources. I'm sure you remember last time I talked about Illuminati, and Mapele was the one who posted something like Mthimbani is chanza. He was responding against my post that wasn't against him. And then he goes live on Facebook and Rukatela while I was still suffering on my leg pain. Look at Besh Fulan. Mapele talked about guns on his Facebook live, threatened to shoot me while he is the one who started a beef with me while I'll never disrespected him since. Whoa. But then Manager Pilan spoke to him. This issue was solved And since then, I never said anything about him on social media, nor a diss track. I kept quiet, minding my own business. I did not even say nothing about Cool B, nor to be involved with his beef and price tag. But it seems like Mapele hates me so much that he don't want to let this go. The guy is having a grudge against me over something that there was over something. He was the one who started a beef with me. It seems like everywhere I go, you will follow me and attack me, simple because I don't have bouncers and guns like him and his crew. And I know now that I've posted these and exposed them, he will still come against me, but after me. But to all my good people, loved ones, and fans, please don't hate them. And I won't even open a case against them. It's not in my nature. So please don't hate them, no to hold grudges against them. Let's continue to spread love and preach peace. I beg the Lord to forgive them all. God bless, and God will trust undefeated. Hey, aye. First and foremost, the reason why I was doubting this is I won't open case against them. But usually, this is a street fight. So usually, a street fight is responded with a street fight. And usually, when people do this, they don't want to leave something that is going to trace them. Only Mapele can do that. And then he will do it. Oh, you know what? You know, pona jambra. Otherwise, yeah. So, Mthimbani saying this, for me, is like, it's not like he won't do anything about it. The way I mean, it seems like there's something he can do, or it has end if he feels like, or he feels like he wants to revenge, because you won't go in a studio and do a song about this. It's not gonna end well. But anyway, Ayenika Cool B Music, who wrote a statement as well, and then we hear these sides, and then Mapele just said whatever he said. I saw the post. And then he went to post me and Manyangazuko, I'm 20 years yet, meaning on the next line. So like, you know, to move, I remember when I had an issue with Mapele when he wanted to kidnap me as well. Kulbi was the one who called me, my man. This guy is not like the guy that you think he is. So you rather save yourself. So yeah, so the reason why Kulbi phoned Mapele in that situation, you knew that Mapele will save him. Hey, Kulbi, do did it postly? So I have Kulbi's post on my screenshots. I think I took a screenshot of it where he was explaining. I'm looking for screenshots here. But all Kulbi is saying is, yena Nyimpi ya Mapele na Kulbi na Mthimbani angayingeni because it doesn't involve him. Yeah, look after na lwe angvitanela for price tag. Ku vona va lwela yini Mthimbani na Kulbi, vona vambirhi va swi tiva. Yeah, so Kulbi wrote a statement which he deleted. I don't know if it means withdrawal or it reached wherever it was supposed to reach. He said, this is what happened before me ngenelele. So before me Said, and like at least now we have this one side, this one side. So it's for you to judge ufama naraman side. So around 11 a.m. Minana Sticks, we decided to go here Mariveni to visit DMX. So loko here Mariveni, DMX decided ku ri ya tshama ndawini leyi vitaniwaka Hileka Manocha, where we captured this picture that I posted now. While we were chilling them, a group came masungula kuichusela. Some claim a price tag sent them to attack us. We decided to move. We decided to move yatsama ka DMS. Loko ifika da. Still loko va hundza hi ndlela va vulavula swa Nyimpi ku hava na munhu na un'we anga humesa xibamu. I'm surprised though. So at that time vanhu loko va hundza, no one had a gun, right? I then called my personal bodyguards and Mapele friend. Niva nika xitori. Loko va fika, I told them ku ri ni lava number ya price tag. I wanna check ku ri swilo leswi swi personal or a game ya music na. Price tag told us ku ri ule queen. Ku ri ule queen. I byerini ku va kwini. We drove there. Loko hi fika a va huma. Loko hi va yimisa va ala. But ni kote ku fika ni va yimisa. Mthimbani na Khang kumkhunga ni n'wi tivi. Hlamula a ni nga Mthimbani na ku n'wi hlamula a ni n'wi hlamulangi. I ask price tag ku ri i nyimpi ya music or hi lwisiwa, but he said a nga va rhumanga. Mapele na Mthimbani va lwela swa voho and both va yi tiva nyimpi ya voho, and I don't have any beef with Mthimbani. I was just surprised ku ri why a nghenelela ka beef, cause mina na yena we are not fighting. I haven't mentioned to price tag ku ri mina a ni nga swi teki serious, hence I was even joking about it. So in a nutshell, could be is no beef with Mthimbani, but we witnessed that recently, even last year when they this year look I could be that album ya Nyimpi, and one of the songs where they made a song together, and also even Mthimbani was saying we know long time ago good unity is power. After united cards so before logo Mthimbani akusuka ka MMP. So like the only thing that Mthimbani mentioned in this video is like also could be had a gun. I don't know whether it was typing issue or could be had a gun, but it doesn't seem like could be went to Mthimbani, and Mthimbani doesn't say could be went to him. So Nyimpi price tag na could be have over two. So we suka kweni ya helela kweni so ngari kisho hiswa Prince Nyimpi Mapele the boss na Mthimbani. I just saw it now, but very yina mukhalenyana ikari yo humelela. So I have no much things to say there, but it's like there's no like one-on-one who always side with their crews. The reason why there is these things of inomboro maganga territories, it might even spark to a point where maybe someone must never go to Palabura, someone must never go to Kamamitwa, those kind of things. It might get to that level when these people are fighting, because it's like, let me tell you something, it's not even about general fans, it's about the people who have influence, who can say, okay, now could be aya angulavla, or now Mthimbani aya angulavla, or now Mthimbani could be angalavla. It is these kind of things that generate territory. But let me tell you something, if this thing can emerge and doesn't result in any harm, it can sell so much in the music industry. It can do so much well, in a sense of this is a real stuff. When they go down, but they must look after themselves. Batafa bangwanyama nilawuhla screenshot lexi ni nga sendeliwa hi un'wana wa munghana wa mina xi ku va ri kimanga yo. I already said it. I also contacted Mapele the boss. I think that's what triggered him to write my name. I said to him, Sure Perechud, let me just read. Sure Perechud, I hope you are good, man. My baba, I saw some posts about you and Mthimbani. I would love to invite you for a phone call interview anytime after 18 hours. Hoping to hear from you. So I think that's what triggered him. So she manyangati na my baba hambi 20 years yateka mbilu. Mbili yako ikome yateka 2 months. 20 years itele ngopfu. You and I are done. I even blocked him to show I don't want to comment on anything that has to do with the guy, because that time I used to take him very lightly, but after hearing stories, and Antlakatako is very delusional. Delusional is to think that you have so much power that you can do this while you can't. And then when I did my research, I was like, this guy Wapenga can simply do whatever he says he can do. Like he's not like a guy that you can just get away with anything. But that's me for you. Lay imihlolo Vakhandli group. Join Vakhandli, use their their website to get all the information that you need for Vakhandli. Even here, there is a link. Danko.